Can you thank me? Hi guys, welcome back. If you are in Canada, happy May long weekend. I don't know if anyone else has a long weekend, but we did, and that's why today's video is late. It's why it is short. It's why it's minimally edited. It's why I look like this, because we've been busy all weekend doing fun stuff and I just didn't get a video filmed. So today I am going to quickly show you a comparison. I'm going to compare an Olfa rotary cutter blade with a Japanese steel blade. I got on Amazon. They're very cheap, but I've been meaning to compare them, so I thought, why not film it? So originally I was just gonna, pop one in my rotary cutter, do some cuts, pop the other one in the rotary cutter, do some cuts, but my husband is home today, working at home, and I thought I'd get him to do it, and then it's blind, so I don't know which one he is going to put in the blade first. We will see. So what I'm going to do, he's going to hand me the blade, and then I'm going to make some cuts. So I have 2 rows here of the same length of fabric. So this will be for blade A, this will be for blade B. I'm not going to do them all exactly, one strip. I will take one, cut it, and then follow on. So I have a thicker cotton here. I think it would be thicker than a quilting cotton. Knit fabric, athletic knit, and then swimsuit lining, which is really, you need to really make sure you get a good cut on that. So I'm gonna go through those and see which blade does best. Let's go. All right, we are set up with blade A. I do not know which blade it is. I'm not gonna look at it or anything. I'm gonna do my cut. And I don't know if I mentioned, all the pieces from each side are the same length, so that each blade is exactly getting the same amount of cuts. So let's do 3 cuts on each piece. 1, 2, 3. This initial thoughts, very smooth, nice cuts there. So now blade A, sample 2, knit, cotton lycra knit. 2, 3. Again, still quite smooth even with the spandex in there. Now onto the athletic knit, blade A. 1. Still very smooth. Happy with those results. And now on to the true test, the swimsuit lining, blade A. Oh, we got a snag there. And there, okay. So I am definitely applying regular pressure. I do apply quite a bit of pressure when I cut naturally, so I'm just doing what I normally do. Going to get the next blade. All right, here we go with blade B. Again, I don't know which one it is. Change my camera angle here, guys, so you can maybe see a little bit better, but let's go. Blade B, woven cotton fabric. Ooh, ooh, this one feels so much better. I didn't think it could. Ooh. Whichever one this is will be what I buy, I think. I mean, I shouldn't say that, but we'll see. Okay, so blade B, cotton lycra. Oh, it is a lot better. It is a lot better. Blade B, athletic knit. Guys, I didn't think it would be this much difference. Oh yeah, so good. Okay, let's see the test. Can you guys even see that? Yeah. No snags. Okay, let's find out which is the better blade. It does have markings on it. I'm going to assume it's the Olfa, but let's find out for sure. Okay, which was the first one? Tell me.
The yellow one was the first one.
Really? The yellow one was the first one. The Olfa was blade A. This is blade B, and it's quite better. Woohoo! Win for being cheap. You saw it here, friends. The Olfa blades do not, I mean, they're very, very, very good. Very good. I was very happy with them, for sure. But those Japanese ones, which I will have linked below for you guys, of course, they're better. And as far as like which one's gonna hold up more, I don't know. We'll like, I would have to do a lot of cuts to determine that. But yeah, pretty excited about that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I will catch you in the next video. Bye!